Hey friends, it's Maggie. So in today's video, I'm going to be painting a picnic basket that I bought at Goodwill for, I believe, $5. So it's a super cute picnic basket, but I figured that I'd add a little pizzazz to it by, I'm also like an 8-year-old woman, pizzazz, I don't know. So I wanted to paint the picnic basket, super cute picnic basket, but I wanted to add a little something onto the top of it. So I decided to paint Starry Night. It matches with the inside of the basket that is also blue. I've painted Starry Night 2 other times, one on the back of a jean jacket and one on my graduation cap. So I wanted to do it again. It's my favorite painting. I love stars, y'all know that. So we painted Starry Night onto the top of this picnic basket, and I'm gonna show you a little time-lapse kind of thing of me painting it, and then I'll show you what the final thing looks like. So there we go. guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun painting this picnic basket. Let me know what you guys thought down below. Leave a like on this video if you would like, and you could subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me. And I will see you guys next time with hopefully a new thrift video. Bye!